Good afternoon. My name is Chelsea Whitfield, and this is my survey research report poster on societal marriage roles. This survey was conducted on students at Tuskegee University. The students' classification at Tuskegee University are freshmen, sophomores, juniors, seniors, graduate students, and students who do not attend Tuskegee University. To get a better range of who my respondents are, I asked them their gender and what region they were raised in. The regions included in the survey were the Northeastern region, the Midwestern region, the Southern region, and the Western region. I also asked the respondents about their views on what family arrangements they think is better for society, the discipline of children, the roles of men and women in a marriage, and women's roles in the workforce, and also if the student was raised in a single-parent household. The graphs you see on my poster represent the classification of each respondent, which is graph 1, as you can see. These classifications include, as I said before, freshmen, sophomores, juniors, seniors, and graduate students. As you can see, no students that do not attend Tuskegee University did not respond to the survey. And also, most of the students who responded to the survey were juniors, and the least amount of students that responded to the survey that had a different classification of other than juniors were graduate students. Graph 2 is the respondent's gender. The students were able to choose from male or female. Many of my respondents were female. And graph number 3 represents each respondent's regions where they replied they were raised. Again, this is the Northeastern region, the Midwestern region, the Southern region, and the Western region. Many students who responded to my survey were from the Southern region. I believe that many students that responded were from the Southern region because Tuskegee University is in the South. Lastly, from my survey, I came to the conclusion that the region and also the students' classification at Tuskegee University heavily affected the students' views on societal marriage roles. Thank you.